Generating citations while writing. Zotero works with a few word processors: LibreOffice, Google Docs, and what I will demonstrate now, Microsoft Word. When I downloaded Zotero Standalone, the program added a toolbar to Microsoft Word. So as I'm typing, if I want to add a citation, I'll simply click on Add Edit Citation. The first thing Zotero will do is ask me, which citation style do you want? I'll go with cell. Now I see a mini search bar here. In it, I can type an author name or year or portion of the title to search for the right citation. Once I've located it, I click it to add it to the search bar, and then hit Enter on my keyboard to add it to my document. If I want to add multiple citations at once, I click on Add Edit Citation, and then click on the Z in the mini search bar to switch over to Classic View. From here, I'll click on Multiple Sources, select a source and the green arrow, another source and the green arrow, another source and the green arrow, and let's go for 4 sources. Then, OK. And there it is, multiple in-text citations. Now I'm ready for my bibliography. First, I'll make sure my cursor is placed in my document where I want my bibliography to appear. Then, I'll click on Add Edit Bibliography, and Zotero will add it based on my in-text citations. If I want to change my citation style after I've added my in-text citations and bibliography, I'll simply click on Document Preferences and choose a different style. I'll choose Science. And there it is. Instead of author last name in-text citations and an alphabetized bibliography, I have numbered parentheticals and a numbered bibliography. One final note: if there's an error in your in-text citation or bibliography. Here, I see that social is spelled incorrectly for some reason. If I change it in the Word document, the change won't stick. Once I hit refresh, it will revert back to its original form from Zotero. So if I go back into Zotero Standalone and I find the citation and fix it there, and then go back to Word and hit refresh, the error is corrected. So that's it for generating citations while you write using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.